you can go ahead 10,000 checks.
14,000 American.
Coming out, crew belts right secure.
Left.
Aviobly after landing, hydraulic calling auto. Avionics set for the approach, 10,000 check complete.
Yeah, honestly, we don't need the APU after landing. It's going to be a pretty quick shutdown. Alright, we got wind to 250 between 8 and 10. And then we're basically going to line up on the downwind for 27, go over the city and come back. We went over performance. We got VRF 115. We got 7,000 feet. We need factor 3843. You only got the left thrust reversers. We're not going to use them at all because the right one on MEL. And that's about it. Vacate pretty much at the end. It's going to be this busy today.
American 1850, contact Boston Center 134.7. Good day.
347 American 1850.
Want to go.
AirPod 1, contact approach 126.5. Good day.
165 Airport 1.
Maintain 2,000.
Descend and maintain 2,000, fatigue 865.
Hello, AirPod 1, 7,200, descending via JFUND2 for ILS 27 with Charlie.
Pod 1, Boston approach, descend now, maintain 2,000.
Descend now, 2,000 AirPod 1.
Let's keep it 220. I'll use the speed brakes to get down pretty quickly because I think we can squeeze in the sequence.
Double 172, reduce to your final approach speed, tower 128.8. Slow down, tower, JetBlue 172 feet. Fatigue 865, turn right in 250.
Right heading 250, fatigue 865.
Brickyard 4532, fighting 330, descend to maintain 4,000.
Approach Brickyard 4532, 7,500 on the rollback.
Brickyard 4532, turn left heading 340, descend to maintain 4,000.
Left 340, 4,000, Brickyard 4532.
With the gate 65, turning 300, cleared visual approach 32.
The roebuck.
Runway 300, cleared for the visual approach, runway 32, Boutique gate 65.
American 1112 passing 9,000, sends me the roebuck 3 Charlie 27.
American 1112 Boston, approach roger, turn left heading 360 to set and maintain 4,000.
360 down to 4,000, American 1112.
Boutique gate 65, contact tower 132.22.
132.22, Boutique gate 65.
Odd 1, reduce speed to 190 and turn right heading 190.
100 speed, then heading
190.
100 for the upper one. 110, okay, 900.
Okay. You can line me up from Ribbit for the final approach fix. Good. COE. Line me up. Yeah, 272 is good. See, by going down quickly, we managed to squeeze in the sequence. Flaps 10, please.
Approach, good afternoon.
Speed check.
Papa Super,
Flaps
descending 6,000 feet, passing 9,500.
Sanjay Papa Super, approach to set and maintain 4,000.
There's an A380
Sanjay 8,
on
Papa
the
Super,
frequency.
descending, maintaining 4,000.
AirPod 1, 3 miles from Ribbits, running 250, 2,000, till established, cleared ILS 27 approach.
2,000 established, clear, ILS 27 approach, AirPod.
Brickyard 45,
And
32,
turn right,
speed to
250,
190, then to set and maintain 2,000.
190, then 2,000, pickup 4532.
Okay, so we cleared
Clear for the approach, yes.
for the approach.
Okay, we got LNAV green. Go flaps 20.
Speed check, flaps 20.
Now we're gonna have the sun. Might have the sun in our eyes. You know what? Might be a bit high, which is good.
AirPod 1, contact tower 128.8.
128 airport, 1.
Okay, localize your screen. Never mind. And glide slope almost there.
Tower, good evening, airport 1, 2,000 inbound, ILS 27, Charlie 26.
Air 217, Boston Tower, cross runway 27 at Charlie.
Okay, glide slope's green.
27, Charlie, clear
Just
for
approach 3,000.
Air 6, request for FedEx 647, heavy, runway 33 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 32 left, FedEx 647 heavy.
Air France 333, Foxtrot, runway 33 left, line up wait, traffic lands across the runway.
Line up and wait at 50 left, Air France 233.
Delta 1432, Boston Tower, cross runway 27 at Charlie.
Cross 27 Charlie, Delta 1432.
Turn 32 X-ray, heavy, contact departure.
Don't look departure, turn 32 X-ray.
Quad 1, Boston Tower, winds 300 at 12, gust 23, traffic holds the crossing runway, runway 27, clear to land.
27, clear to land, airport 1.
Gear down.
Heading you're selected down.
Delta 445, Boston Tower, cross runway 27 at Charlie.
Cross 27 at Charlie, Delta 445.
JetBlue 269, Boston Tower, cross runway 27 at Charlie. Cross runway 27 at Charlie, JetBlue 3269.
Okay, flaps full.
Both flaps.
And before landing, checklist, please.
Confirm 33.
I see 3 greens. I see flaps full.
47, heavy,
Light is
contact
up.
departure.
Switch departure, FedEx 647.
Fall in check is complete.
Okay, traffic's crossing.
Air France 333, Foxtrot, heavy, runway 33 left, clear for takeoff, traffic 2 mile final for the crossing runway, expedite.
Clear takeoff, 33 left, Air France 233.
Okay, it's Air France 777 take off, if I'm not mistaken.
269, Boston Tower.
Go ahead.
269, hold short, runway 27.
All right, hold short now.
And the next guy's holding short, good. Okay, slow down a little bit.
Air 616, runway 33 left, line up wide, caution of wait turns
Yep.
for the previous departure, heavy Boeing 777, traffic will land the crossing runway.
Runway 33 left, lamp of waited here, 660.
Slightly fast.
Tower Bear 4532, ILS 27.
4532, Boston Tower, following a Challenger, short final, traffic holds crossing runway 27, clear to land.
27 clear to land, Bear 4532.
100. 50.
333 Foxtrot,
30.
heavy contact departure.
20. 10.
Okay. Nope, no.
JetBlue 267, Boston Tower, cross runway 27 on Charlie. We got JetBlue 269. 269 affirmative, cross runway 27 on Charlie.
Right on.
Cross runway 27 Charlie, JetBlue 269. Brickyard 3662, Boston Tower, cross runway 27 on Charlie.
Cross 27 Charlie, Bear 3662.
1, turn right, echo, cross runway 4 right, hold short, runway 4 left.
Right at Echo, cross full right, hold short, full left, airport 1.
Okay.
Okay, so we have the clear to cross the 4 right and we need to hold short 4 left.
Air 616, turn left heading to, correction, leaving 700.
After
turn left
landing, checklist, please. 4 rights here, final's clear, my sign.
Right is clear. I'm keeping the light on.
217, runway 33 left, line up await, traffic lands, crossing runway.
33 left, line up away, care 217.
And no APU is set.
Yes,
Squad 1,